Hey Lions! Welcome to our Quarter 2 assembly. My name is Jazlyne and I'm your class president. We have made it through our first quarter of junior year fully virtual. We are quite literally making history. Isn't that pretty cool? Continuing on to our second quarter, I hope that you were all able to start it off strong and participate in our week of work, or wow. If you were not able to, make sure that you are checking your Instagram and emails regularly to make sure that you don't miss out on any other opportunities to participate. This year we have the unique opportunity to showcase all of you guys and your amazing accomplishments. Without further ado, let's get this assembly started.
We know that you all have spectacular accomplishments, and we would like to highlight them. If you would like to be showcased, please scan this QR code and fill out the Google form.
There will also be a Google form on the QR code where you can attach your Halloween pictures to be featured on our class Instagram. This QR code is the same one that you saw in our class newsletter, so we'll take the pictures and information that you provide us and showcase them on our own Instagram page.
Before we move on, here's some information about the upcoming registration process and schedule. November 2nd through the 6th is AP Night, November 18th is registration/curriculum fair websites and Registration Advisory Lesson 1, November 25th is Registration Advisory Lesson 2, and November 30th through December 4th is online registration.
Fall Spirit Week is just around the corner and it kicks off on Monday, October 26th with Pumpkin Patch Palooza, National Pumpkin Day where you wear orange, dress up as a pumpkin, or have some pumpkin decorations. Tuesday is Go Out in all pink. Wear pink and scare away cancer. Dress up in pink, or show off a spooky face mask. Wednesday is Candy Crush. Dress up as your favorite candy or dress up in the colors of your favorite candy. Thursday is Halloween, the game. Wear a costume, wig, makeup, go full out. And finally, Friday, or Hallows Eve, is Trojan Mansion. Wear Trojan gear or class gear and show some school spirit.
In our class, not only do we have amazing students, we also have outstanding teachers. Get to know our class advisors and see how much you have in common with them.
Halloween is coming up, so let's play Guess Your Advisory Teacher's Favorite Candy. Up first, Miss Ludwig, Miss Nakahara, and Miss Morse like Snickers. Miss Estabaya, Miss Tsukamoto, Miss Tanaki, Mr. Cook, Mr. Steinfeld, Miss Lazan, Mr. Dunn, Miss Blaylock, Mr. Reilly, and Miss Nahina all like. If you said Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, nice. And Mr. Masaki's favorite candy is Twix.
Mrs. Zane and Miss Nitta enjoy peanut butter M&Ms, while Dr. Venzin likes regular M&Ms. Mrs. Chun, Miss Humphreys, Mrs. Arai, Mrs. Gu, and Mr. Kawakami all enjoy anything with chocolate. Mr. Hood and Mrs. Ross enjoy dark chocolate.
We also asked some of our teachers to send in pictures of them in a Halloween costume. Here we have Senora Blanco and her family in an awesome group costume. Now we're showing Mrs. Arai as Professor McGonagall from Harry Potter. Lastly, we have Miss Tanaki and Miss Kaneko in their cute costumes. Now it's time for a game. This will be a virtual reality game and you'll be placed on the campus of Mililani High School. Your job is to guess the ghosts that are presented to you. The winners of this game will receive prizes, so make sure you pay attention and participate.
Welcome to our virtual reality haunted house, Ghost Hunting Edition. Today you'll be placed in a series of different classrooms around the scary campus of Mililani High School. Your job is to guess who the ghost is based off the clues given to you.
There will be 5 levels that will increasingly get more challenging. After each level, you will enter your guess of who the teacher could be into the Google form. Scan the QR code and select Virtual Reality Assembly Game to access the Google form.
For each student that guesses all the teachers correctly, will be put into a random drawing and we will pick 3 students to receive a class face mask.
We will give you 10 seconds to scan the QR code and prepare the Google form. You can either enter your guess through the Google form while we play, or you can write down your guess and go back to the form later. Here's a tip that you will want to keep in mind throughout the whole game. Pay attention to the background of each room.
Now, let's begin with level 1. As we were traveling through G Building, we found this ghost along the way. Who do you think it is? Here are some hints to help you out. She once got suspended from preschool for not napping during nap time, and she loves all animals that are taller than 2 inches. We will give you 10 seconds to place your guess into the Google form.
Now we will begin level 2.
We were traveling through the office and we saw this ghost in the corner of our eye. Who do you think this ghost is? Here are some hints that will help you out. She's been an administrator for 9 years and she loves to garden. Take 10 seconds to input your guess into the Google form.
Now we will begin level 3.
While we were moving through Upper Campus, we stumbled across this ghost. Can you guess who it is? Here are some hints. He loves Thai food and speaks Filipino. Take 10 seconds to enter your guess into the Google form.
Now we will begin level 4.
We were passing through C Building and we found this ghost along the way. This level may be a little challenging, but here are some hints to help you out. He runs 2 miles every day with his dog and he loves to travel. Take 10 seconds to enter your guess into the Google form.
You made it to the 5th and final level. Here are some of your hints to help you determine this ghost. This is her first time teaching high school and she's a proud Children alumni. Take a good look at the background. Now, proceed to fill out the Google form.
You've now finished our virtual reality haunted house game. Thank you for participating and don't forget to submit your Google form once it's completely filled out. Stay safe, Lions!
Thank you for watching our Quarter 2 assembly. We miss all of you and can't wait till the next time we see you. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.